Hello, everyone. Okay, next topic that I'm going to be covering in a tutorial here is how to fill out weekly accomplishment sheets. And let me tell you, when you fill out your weekly accomplishment sheets, you're able to track where you are in your own business, and your sales director will love you because we get to give you recognition in newsletters and end of the year recognition. Three categories that we give recognition for. One is the product that you purchase, the retail value of the product that you purchase from Mary Kay Corporate, the team building that you do. So all of your qualified team members, and a qualified team member is somebody who purchases $600 wholesale with their either their initial inventory order or within their first 4 months. Okay. And then the third is what I'm going to be showing you right here today, and that is your weekly summary. So your actual sales that you have with your customers. So I'm going to go ahead and screen share here. And basically, I am on Mary Kay In Touch. So you want to come into Mary Kay In Touch, and you're going to go under Business Tools. And you're going to scroll down to the very last thing, which says Weekly Accomplishments. And then you're going to go all the way up into Enter Weekly Accomplishments. So you would come into here. Now, if you are getting website orders, these orders are automatically going to be put in here, but you still need to submit everything once it's all in to your sales director. So what you would do is, I'm just going to make up fictitious things. So our weeks go Sunday, which was March 7th, through Saturday. So that's the week of recognition in Mary Kay. So if I did an appointment on March 7th, so let's just say 03/07, my hostess, I'm just going to put in here one of my customers. And let's just say it was a virtual party. It took me 1.5 hours. I had 4 people on. All 4 people ordered. I got 2 bookings. And then SCS is skincare sets sold. And a skincare set is a cleanser, moisturizer with a foundation. And that's how we don't break up any of those pieces. And I teach that way because I find that I have customers who stay with me for a very long time because they're satisfied with their results that they're getting from their products. So let's just say that 2 of the ladies bought skincare sets, and I had $340 money collected without sales tax. Okay, so it's sales less tax. And then it was a party. So I'm going to click the down arrow, and I am going to go to parties skincare class. Okay, I just want to show you the other options here. So a facial would be 1 to 2 people. If it was a website order or online, that would be there. On the go is when you can go in person with people and you would just go to show product. Or I've done them virtually as well, where I just get on Zoom with somebody and they want to see the new product. So I'll just get on with them and just show them the items so that I'm showing them the bottles and such, or drawing things on the back of my arm. So it's not a facial. They're not actually trying the products or watching me do a full facial. Skincare class is 3 or more people. And then PCP miscellaneous is just if they just maybe you call them and they order, you could put it in there. You can literally put everything under online personal website if you'd like to, or PCP miscellaneous. It doesn't matter as far as the differentiation. And then reorders, that would be, I don't know that I would use reorders, to be honest with you. I would probably just do PCP miscellaneous for all of them. And a show is an old term. I don't really know that we usually do use anything with that term anymore. So you're really just going to do facials, parties, or skincare classes, however you want to phrase that. And then I would do either online personal website or PCP miscellaneous or reorders. One of those 3 to lump all of your other sales into that category. Okay. So we're back here. We're doing it as a party, a skincare class. And then sales tax, I'm not going to put sales tax in because I collected all of my sales tax. Okay. And I'll explain this as we go. Non-recovered sales tax over here is if I did not collect sales tax on an item. So let's say that somebody, I was offering, let's just say, a free lip gloss to somebody for maybe listening to a marketing plan or whatever. And that's all they got. Well, I'm not going to charge them 88 cents, which is 5.5% sales tax on a $16 lip gloss. I'm not going to do that. So I would have 88 cents of non-recovered sales tax. And that's a business write-off because remember, when we buy our product from Mary Kay Corporate, we're paying the sales tax upfront to them on the retail value of our product, so that when we're selling it to our customers, we're just recouping that sales tax. That's what that means, okay? So if you don't recoup all your sales tax, what you want to do is put down any amounts right here that would be non-recovered, because that's a business write-off for you at the end of the year, okay? I don't put anything into sales tax if I'm collecting my sales tax. So it just keeps it very simple that way. Hostess gifts. So what I would put in here is if you're doing like a discount. So with Jessica, let's say just for hosting the party, I was giving her $50 in free product just to keep everything simple. So if I collected the sales tax on that, I'm going to put the $50 in here. Okay. And then let's say that there was somebody at her party that got a free lip gloss from me for whatever reason. That wouldn't happen, but let's just say I would put the 16 in here, and then I would have 88 cents of non-recovered sales tax on the 16. Okay, so then I would add this, and then it would automatically put it in to my weekly summaries. And then I would go ahead and put in another order. So let's just say I had a reorder from, I'll just use my mother-in-law, and it didn't take me any time, so I'm not going to put time in there. And it's not a party, so I'm not going to put guests. She put in an order. I mean, you don't have to fill this out for reorders, okay? She did not purchase a skincare set. I'm going to say that she just purchased her day cream, 32 bucks, Time-Wise day cream, 3D. And it was a reorder, so I'm going to go down here and put everything into reorders. I collected my sales tax. I didn't give her a discount. Well, let's just say I did give her a discount. Let's say I did 20% discount. So it would be actually $6.40. So I'm going to do $6.40 here. Okay. I collected my full sales tax, so I don't need to put anything in here. All right. So the deal with giving discounts to somebody, just so you know, is you want to figure out the discount on the retail value of the product before you figure sales tax. So there's going to be sales tax that she's paying on this, but I don't give her the discount, the 20% off on that amount that includes the sales tax, because otherwise I'm discounting my sales tax, okay? And I'm not collecting the full amount. So you give your discounts on the retail of the product without sales tax, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. So it would be $6.40 is the discount, and then I would go ahead and add that. Okay. Now let's say let's just say that was my orders for the week. Okay, I did a party and I got a reorder. So now I'm going to click next. And this is where you can fill in how many potential team members you interviewed. And this is where I encourage you to do as much as you can in here, because we always say in Mary Kay that a track number grows. And so if you are tracking your activity and your numbers, those are the things that you're focusing on. So that's what's going to grow, and it's going to become more and be more successful for you in Mary Kay. So put any potential team members interviewed, any new team members who signed up, the number of appointments you've got coming up for the next week. Here is where it pre-filled from my answers is number of skincare sets sold, my skincare class sales, if I had facial sales on the go, blah, blah, blah. All the way down here is my reorders. So my total sales money collected for the week is $372. If you want to fill in this information, that's totally up to you, but you don't have to. We don't, as directors, use this information because we have the information on reports that we get on all of our consultants in our unit. So what you are spending on wholesale, and we can also see what you're spending on section 2, which are your samples and sample type products, section 2. So then I'm just going to click next. And then this would be your goals for the week. So if you wanted to fill that out, and then also if you need more information, I'm going to tell you, you can click these things. You guys don't wait for your sales director to get back to you on this type of stuff. If you've got questions, please make sure that you reach out. And especially if it's me as your sales director, please reach out to me when you have questions on anything. This is the details of the people that you have interviewed and whether you recruited them. But hopefully, again, you're working with your sales director or with me when it comes to interviews, because we're a team and we do this kind of together until you're comfortable with it. But we should always know about new team members that you're working with, just so that we don't get a big shock when we open up our email one day and we're like, oh, so and so has a new team member. We're like, we don't even know who this person is. So please keep us in the loop so that we don't get like shocked. It's always good to know ahead of time. So then here is where it's figuring out your 40% profit. Now in Mary Kay, we do make a 50% profit on the sale of our product. So don't get me wrong, but Mary Kay suggests that you keep 40% as your profit, because that extra 10% is to help you pay for like section 2 items. And especially when you're doing virtual appointments, if you're sending out samples, it helps you account for those samples that you're sending out. So my profit for the week for doing a party and a reorder was $148.80. Okay. I worked an hour and a half. So my total earned per hour is $99.20. Pretty good pay. Okay. And then here, I am my own sales director. So yours would, if you're in my unit, mine would say send to Lisa Rada. And so then you want to be able to submit my accomplishments. And so I'm not going to do this because it's going to goof up my system, but you need to click this in order for me to see what you're doing. And I just did it by accident. Okay, whatever. So that's what it looks like when it's submitted. All right. So this is what you want to do after the week is over. So again, Sunday through Saturday is the week. So on Sunday, you can literally fill this out, or you can fill out every day as you're going. And then Sunday, you just go in and submit it to your sales director. Okay. So that's how you fill out weekly accomplishment sheets. So if you have any further questions, let me know. But again, remember that if you're doing any online ordering or inputting orders that way, it probably is already going to be in there. And so that's just something to be aware of, and just to know how you work around that. So you're not going to have to enter in all of your sales if people are ordering on your website, or you're putting it through as an order through my customers on Mary Kay In Touch. All right, you guys, thank you so much. And I hope this was helpful.